Hi YouTube, this is JustThroughChopper.com. I'm Angelina from the site JustThroughChopper.com. Okay, let me introduce our JS for you. Okay, let's see it. Okay, we can see the JS. Okay, here we got the paper card, and here is some detailed information about the JS. And here is the NFL's logo. And here is flowers. And here is the team's number 3. We can see on the left. And here is the team's number 3. And here is next logo. And here is team's logo. We can see on the bottom. And here is mesh on the bottom of the jersey. And here is some information of the jersey. We can see on the right. And here is the team's number 3. And here is the next logo. And here is the team's name. Okay, let's see on the back. And here is the team's player's name. And here is the team's number 3. And here is mesh on the bottom of the jersey. Okay, this is our product. Our jersey is swimmer style. If you like it, you can choose from my site or contact me on the website. Thank you. Bye.